Now we are taking another example of this orthogonal trajectory. Now we will find OT means orthogonal trajectory of the family of coaxial circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0, g being the parameter. Okay. Now first we will differentiate it with respect to x as because difference is in our first step. When we differentiate it, so x square, differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x plus 2y and dy over dx plus it is 2g plus 0 is equal to 0. Now eliminate this 2 because this 2 is common for these three terms, and take this 2 outside and it is divided by 2, so it is 0 divided by 2 is 0. Now x plus y dy over dx plus z is equal to 0. Okay, now find the value of g. G is minus x plus y dy over dx. Okay, this is our value of g. Now put this value of g in this equation. When we put this value of g in this equation, we'll get, watch it, x square plus y square plus 2, and value of g is negative, so this is negative x plus y dy over dx, multiply by x, so it is x plus c is equal to 0. Now x square plus y square minus 2 multiply by x, x square minus 2xy dy over dx plus c is equal to 0. Now our third step is put or replace dy over dx with minus dx divided by dy, x square plus y square minus 2x square. Now 2x square and x square, it is minus x square, so it is minus x square, y square minus x square minus 2xy, and replace dy over dx with minus dx over dy, so minus dx over dy, so this here is negative sign because we replace dy over dx with negative dx over dy, so this sign of sign of minus dx is cancel out with this minus and it is plus c is equal to 0. Now multiply this whole term with dy and this term with dy. Why? Because we want solution for this equation. If we want solution, we will check this is exact equation or not. To find exact, we will convert in the form of mdx plus ndy. Okay, if this equation in the form of mdx plus ndy, then we get m and differentiate with respect to y, and again we take n and differentiate it with respect to x, and we will equate curl m divided by curl y is equal to curl n divided by curl y. If it is equal to, then the given equation is exact. If curl m divided by curl y is not equal to curl n divided by curl x, then the given equation is not exact. Then we will convert in the exact form. Now it is y square dy minus x square dy plus 2x y dy, and this dy is cancelled out with this dy, so it is only dx plus c dy is equal to 0. Now this equation in the form of mdx plus ndy, separate dy and dy and separate dx term, so it is y square minus x square plus c dy plus 2xy dx is equal to 0. Okay, so our m is this and n is this. Okay, now check curl m divided by curl y is equal to curl n divided by curl x. So our m is this, when so curl m divided by curl y, so curl n divided by curl y of m is 2xy. So derivative of y with respect to y, it is 2x. Again derivative or derivative of n, which is y square minus x square plus c. So curl divided by curl x of n, and we know that n is this y square plus minus x square plus c. Now y square is constant for this because we are differentiating with respect to x, so it is 0, and derivative of minus x square is minus 2x plus 0, because again derivative of c is 0 because it is constant, so it is minus 2x. Now we find that our curl n divided by curl x is minus 2x, and our curl m divided by curl x is 2x. 2x is not equal to minus 2x, so this given equation, which equation this given equation is not in the form of exact. Now we will convert in exact differential form. Okay, so we will apply previous method we have discussed in previous video. Okay, so now we know that one formula, which is curl m divided by curl y minus curl n divided by curl x divided by n, curl n divided by curl x minus curl m divided by curl y minus curl n divided by curl x divided by n. This is one method to find in the form of to convert in the exact form is a function of x. Okay, when we apply curl m divided by curl y minus curl n divided by curl x divided by n, the solution is in the form of solution for this. Okay, result for this is in the form of function of x. Okay, if it is not in the function of x, then we can we will not find integrating factor. We also know other method, which is inspection method, or function of xy y dx plus function of xy x dx method, or homogeneous method. If any previous method is applied on this, okay, then we can also apply these method, which is homogeneous, or function of xy y dx plus function of xy x dy, and this is our fifth or sixth method, solution for which is function of x. If this is fail, then we again apply curl n divided by curl x minus curl m divided by curl x divided by m is a function of y. Now first we will apply this method. If this is fail, then we will apply further, which is curl n divided by curl y curl n divided by curl x minus curl m divided by curl y divided by m. Okay, so first we will apply curl m divided by curl y. Now we know that curl m divided by curl y, curl m divided by curl y is 2x. curl m divided by curl y. So it is 2x minus 2x divided by n, and our n is this, so it is y square minus x square plus c. Now 2x minus plus 2x, so it is 4x divided by y square minus x square plus c, so it is not a function of x only, so this method is fail. Now what will we do? So we'll apply another method which is next for this, which is curl n divided by curl x minus curl m divided by curl y divided by m is the function of y. Solution for this, when we solve this divide by m, then we find then we get a function, okay, which is a function of y. Okay, now curl m divided by curl y is minus 2, and curl n divided by curl x is minus 2x minus, because curl m divided by curl y is only 2x, not minus 2x, so it is minus 2x, because curl n divided by curl x is equal to minus 2x and curl m divided by curl y is 2x, so curl n divided by curl x is minus 2x, so it is minus 2x minus curl m divided by curl y is 2x divided by m, our m is 2xy, so it is 2xy, which is equal to minus 4x or minus 4x divided by 2xy. Now x and x cancel and 2 and 2 cancel, so solution for this is minus 2 divided by y. So this is a function of y. If we apply this formula and when we solve this, then we get a function of y. So we get a function of y. Now we get integrating factor, which is multiplied by this equation by this function of y. So how we get integrating factor? And we know that integrating factor for this method is e raised to the power function of y dy. Now e raised to the power integration of function of y is minus 2 divided by y dy. Now solve this. We know that integration of 1 divided by y is log y, so e raised to the power minus 2, and 1 divided by y dy, integration of 1 divided by y is log y, so it is log y. Why? Because we know that integration of 1 divided by y dy is equal to log y. Okay, so minus 2 is present, and integration of 1 divided by y dy is integration of 1 divided by y is log y, so e raised to the power minus 2 log y. Okay, now put this minus is y raised to the power minus 2. Now cancel this e with log. Okay, so we get integrating factor. integrating factor is y inverse square, which is equal to 1 divided by y square. So our integrating factor is 1 divided by y square. We get our integrating factor and then multiply this integrating factor, which is 1 divided by y square, this whole equation, then we get exact differential equation. If you cannot understand how we derive this integrating factor, so please watch my earlier videos. Okay. Now multiply 1 divided by y square, this whole equation. So y square minus x square plus c dy plus 2xy dx is equal to 0. So divide by y square and divide by y square and also divide by y square. So 0 divided by y square is 0. So doesn't matter. Now y square divided by y square. So y square divided by y square minus x square divided by y square plus c divided by y square multiply by dy plus y and y cancel, so it is 2x divided by y is equal to 0. So this is our exact differential equation. Again differentiate with respect differentiate of m with respect to y, and again differentiate of n with respect to x, you will get exact differential form. This equation is exact differential equation because we have converted it by integrating factor. You can check also. Okay, now we got exact differential equation. Now we can find solution for this equation, which is orthogonal trajectory for this. Now y square divided by y square is 1 plus x square divided by y square plus c divided by y square dy plus 2x dx divided by y is equal to 0. Now our m is 2x over dy and our n. For solution of exact differential equation, our n is that term which not contain x. Okay, term of n which not contain x. Okay, so to find solution of exact differential equation, integration of m dx plus term of n which not contain x. Okay, our m is 2x over dy, so integration of n is equal to 0, whole equation is equal to 0. So 2x over y dx plus term of n which not contain x, so term n is whole term, and term of n which not contain x, so 1 which not contain x, so 1 plus c divided by y square dy, okay, is equal to 0. Now integrate it and we will find a solution or orthogonal trajectory for this equation. So integration of x, so 2x square divided by y divided by 2 plus integration of 1 which is y because it is constant plus c integration of 1 divided by y square is minus 1 over y is equal to c. So 2 and 2 cancel and it is x over y plus y minus c over y is equal to c. So it is our orthogonal trajectory or solution for this equation. So to find orthogonal trajectory, first we will differentiate and we will find arbitrary constant, value of arbitrary constant, and put value of arbitrary constant in given equation. Then replace dy over dx with minus dx over dy. Then check the given differential equation is exact form or not. If this given differential equation is not in the exact form, then convert in exact differential equation. Okay, and integrate it. Then we will find a solution or orthogonal trajectory. If you don't know how to convert in the form exact differential form, please watch my previous video. In these previous video I show that how to convert non-exact differential form in exact differential form. If you like my videos, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.